The Marine Corps is accelerating a massive modernization and readiness overhaul of its MV-22 Osprey to upgrade sensors and weapons, sustain the fleet, and broaden the mission scope as part of an effort to extend the life of the aircraft to 2060. While first emerging nearly 2 decades ago, the Osprey tilt-rotor aircraft has seen an unprecedented uptick in deployments, mission scope and operational tempo. As a result, Corps developers explain that the aircraft has to a large extent had trouble keeping pace with needed modernization and readiness enhancements. This challenge has been greatly exacerbated by a major increase in Combatant Commander requests for Ospreys, particularly since 2007, Corps officials say. The quality of maintenance training curricula, maturation and standardization has not kept pace with readiness requirements. Current maintenance manning levels are unable to support demands for labor. The current V-22 sustainment system cannot realize improved and sustained aircraft readiness availability without significant change, the Corps writes in its 2018 Marine Aviation Plan published earlier this year. Depot-level maintenance cannot keep up with demand. Given this scenario, the Corps is implementing key provisions of its Common Configuration, Readiness and Modernization Plan, which, according to a Marine Corps spokesperson, is designed to achieve a common configuration and improve readiness to a minimum of 75% mission-capable rate across the fleet. Corps officials said the idea with Osprey modernization and sustainment is to build upon the lift, speed and versatility of the aircraft's tilt-rotor technology and give the platform more performance characteristics in the future. This includes arming the Osprey with rockets, missiles or some kind of new weapons capability to support its escort mission in hostile or high-threat environments. Other elements of Osprey modernization include improved sensors. Mapping and digital connectivity, greater speed and hoverability, better cargo and payload capacity. Next-generation avionics and new survivability systems to defend against incoming missiles and small arms fire. The 2018 Marine Aviation Plan specifies that the CCRAM program includes more than 75 V-22 aircraft configurations identified in part by a now completed MV-22 Operational Independent Readiness Review. CCRAM calls for improvements to the Osprey multispectral sensor, computer system, infrared suppressor technology, generators and landing gear control units the aviation plan specifies. As part of this long-term Osprey modernization trajectory, the Marines are now integrating a command and control system called digital interoperability. This uses data links, radio connectivity, and an iridium antenna to provide combat-relevant intelligence data and C4ISR information in real time to Marines while in flight on a mission. In addition, the Osprey is being developed as a tanker aircraft able to perform aerial refueling missions. The idea is to transport fuel and use a probe technology to deliver fuel to key aircraft such as FAR-18 or F-35C. The V-22 aerial refueling system will also be able to refuel other aircraft such as the CH-53EK AV-8B Harrier jet and other V-22s, Corps officials said. Fielding of the full capable system will be in 2019. This system will be able to refuel all MAGTF aerial refuel-capable aircraft with approximately 10,000 pounds of fuel per each varsec. What V-22 the 2018 Marine Aviation Plan states.